Hi guys, for this video guys, kakain namin ngayon guys, ito guys. Ito guys, ang kakain namin ngayon. Shakoy guys. Ginawang supas guys. Minatamis guys. May sugar guys Shakoy din ang tawag namin dito guys. Pero parang supas na siya guys. Toasted na siya guys. Okay guys, tikman natin guys. Tama ko guys yung pamangkin ko guys. Sarap to guys. Ito ang snack namin ngayon guys. Ito na guys Sarap to guys Okay guys, tikman natin. Sarap guys. Okay guys.